Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to install Facebook in laptop or computer. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly you can see window icon, so just click on it. So when you will click on window icon, you can see Microsoft Store. So click on Microsoft Store. So after this you can see on the upper side search bar, so click on search bar and write here Facebook. So after writing the Facebook, you can see Facebook and you can install Facebook from here. You can see I have already installed Facebook, that's why I will click on open. So here you can give information of email address or phone number, and after that you can write here password and then you can log in your Facebook. So guys, in this way you can install Facebook in laptop or PC, and you can log in laptop or PC. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.